Good afternoon. This is Shadi Shiroki. We're at the Flow Architect and Trak-Kit booth in the Rye in Amsterdam, ISE 2018. Newest product from us, multi-panel wall system. This is a Flow Architect and Trak-Kit because Trak-Kit provides the tracks and Flow Architect does the entire walnut TVs and specs everything out. These are the only wall systems that are able to rotate, slide, and each panel is alive. That is to say, has an umbilical cord running to it, which carries lighting, power, and HDMI and or speaker to whatever it needs. There is a magnetic edge detail, which the doors find themselves, as you can see, and they just lock up, which is quite nice, and they make it look absolutely seamless. This entire wall can turn 90 degrees and collapse into this cabinet. So it's a fantastic opportunity for a large room that doesn't want to be disturbed, but then if you need your surround sound or you need your video conferencing or you need to divide the room in two, this comes out, and clearly you can either face this room or it could face the other room. So it's a very, very versatile and efficient system. Once again, if you want more information, you can look at www.trak-kit.com.